in terms of the diversity of the department. Unlike several other departments on campus, we have multidisciplinary scientists at one place. We have very, very accomplished biophysical and ecologists. We also have very accomplished socioeconomists and human dimension specialists. And we also have geospatial scientists. But they all get together to solve problems relating to forests and the environment. So in a way, they're all diverse, but diversity is our strength.
The research that I do is focused on sort of, we call it recreation ecology, but it's basically studying visitor impacts to protected natural areas.
We look at the human component of natural resource management issues. Some of us work in environmental conflict, natural resource recreation, and communications in particular.
Basically, we look at harvesting systems, how we can make them more efficient. My research specifically looks at how the potential wood-to-energy market may impact the forest products industry, loggers, forest landowners, basically our traditional wood users. How is a new market going to affect those players?
One of the important aspects of urban forestry is the conservation of trees during land development. Virginia is a rapidly urbanizing area, and as a result that can put great pressure on our forest resources. So as part of our urban forestry program, we invest quite a bit of time in educating students about how to properly conserve trees during the land development process so that we can have sustainable communities.
It ranges from analysis of satellite imagery, digital imagery from cameras on airplanes. Also, in our department, we focus on some fairly cutting-edge remote sensing technology, such as light detection and ranging, which is a laser system. So basically, the airplane flies over a forest in this case and blasts out laser pulses at a very rapid rate, up to 200,000 pulses in a second. And then we use that information to get basically coordinate information of heights in the forest canopy. So what we get in the end is a three-dimensional representation of the forest environment. We have, soil scientists, we have biologists, we have remote sensing people, we have human dimensions faculty, people that do economy. There's just, I think that's quite unique to this department. And not only that, it's a very collaborative environment. Everybody gets along, everybody's excited to do cutting edge research and work together. So I think that's a pretty unique aspect to our department.
The type of internship opportunities and employment opportunities on part-time or full-time basis from federal government agencies, state government agencies such as Virginia Department of Forestry, and the private sector. Our graduate students and also undergraduate students, they really appreciate our collaborations with them because they can gain lots of benefits out of those collaborations.
And that extends beyond just opportunities for undergraduate education, but we also have strong relationships with alumni with respect to interactions for graduate students and fueling potential research opportunities, both at the undergraduate and graduate level.
Our students tend to get really cool jobs too. I just got an email the other day from a student who's a park ranger in Mount Rainier National Park. And others work in environmental education centers and they're outside doing fun things. And I think a lot of the students in our major, that's kind of what they're looking for.
And people just recognize that name when they see you. When you go to a conference, oh, you're from Virginia Tech, I went there or whatever, or some of my employees went there. So it's really nice. It's good name recognition.
The forestry field here is top rated nationally, and I know that being a part of that means something for me and my future career.